The calendar has just turned. A new year begins. Across continents, two of the world's most powerful leaders appear on a video screen. No, not just exchanging greetings, but quietly shaping the direction of global power politics. And many analysts believe that this conversation, it was not symbolic, it was strategic. Two leaders, one careful timed conversation. Chinese President Xi Jinping and Russian President Vladimir Putin connected through a high-level video conference. The timing was significant, by the way. The meeting coincided with Lichun, the Chinese solar term that marks the arrival of spring, a season associated with new beginnings and transformation. And the symbolism, it did not go unnoticed at all, because while they spoke about renewal, they were also hinting at a new phase in their partnership. Xi Jinping signals a deeper bond here. During the conversation, Xi emphasized that ties between China and Russia, they are moving into what he described as a new stage. But what does that really mean? It means stronger business cooperation, more joint economic project, more exchanges between students, researchers, and young professionals. She highlighted China's willingness to open its market further, not just for Russia, but for global partners willing to cooperate under Beijing's economic vision. Well, the message was clear here. China is ready to expand its influence, and Russia is its closest partner in that plan. In the meantime, Putin calls the partnership exemplary. Vladimir Putin, on the other side of the screen, used strong language to describe the relationship here. He called it a model partnership. He pointed to record-breaking trade numbers between the two countries, massive energy deal including oil and gas cooperation, and growing cultural ties through festivals, student exchange program, and humanitarian project. Putin stressed that this is not just an economic friendship. He described it as a strategic alliance designed to navigate what he called global instability. Adding to this, one of the biggest pillars holding the partnership together is energy. Russia is one of the world's largest supplier of oil and gas. China is one of the world's biggest energy consumer. It is a powerful combination, right? Russia gains a massive and stable market. In the meantime, China secures a long-term energy security, and together they reduce their dependency on Western-controlled supply chain. In the meantime, both the leaders, they also highlighted their close coordination on major global forums. They specifically mentioned cooperation at the United Nations, BRICS Alliance, Shanghai Cooperation Organization. Through these platforms, Moscow and Beijing, they are attempting to reshape global decision-making structure, where they often push for a multipolar world, a system where global power is shared, not dominated by one superpower, which, by the way, is the United States.